Why do trending topics make some individuals rich and others are there scrolling, laughing, making fun, and some of them they've developed something like grudge that brought confusion within themselves? Why do you think that? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 to 10 major ways of making money with trending videos, with trending situations, even trending topics, whether it is political, is it economical, is it social, in any category it is. That is money. Trust me, someone is paying rent with a trending topic that you're telling someone, oh my God, me, I cannot post this. But this is a disclaimer. These trending topics, if you're in any niche, you should incorporate them in your niche. This video is not for making you hype up and feel like if I start posting trending topics, I'm going to be rich, or if I start doing this, I'm going to build a mansion of my choice, I'm going to drive a car. No. There are other ways that you need to, there are good practices that you need to incorporate with training. Video is educational purposes. It's less than 10% true that if you do this, you're going to get money. But I bring you the tips that have made me money. I've made money from training topics. In the month of December, I made enough money. In the month of January, I'm making money. Other people are making money, so why not you? So these are tips. Go and research. If you feel you can do it, you should do it. Remember, we're going to see the 5 to 10 ways of how to make money with trending topics. They should be simple, real, and even they're smartphone friendly. You don't need to go and break the bank. To say thank you to all our engagers. If you know you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe for you to be getting these tips. 2% of people are gaining from their smartphone and being their presence online, and the 98% are just wasting data. Subscribers, please know that you are in the right place. And for our engagers who have been there for all these years, months and days, we love you so much. First, content. This is how to make money out of this trending viral content. Create fast content. When we're talking about fast content, we mean about reels. Reels, you can put them on Facebook. We talk about shorts. You can put them on YouTube. We talk about TikTok. You can put any, provided it is not violating community guidelines and monetization. Jump on the trend. Add your opinion. Add your lessons, or even add your humor. Monetize through creator bonus, that is Facebook, brand deals. It can be all over across all platforms, or even traffic for your page or your products. If you have products, you can use these trending topics for them to bring for you people to buy. Remember this. There are other challenges that you're going to meet in this, but these challenges, I'm not going to talk about them right now. The second way to make money is affiliate marketing on trends. Connect the trend to a product or service and drop your affiliate link. Now, I give you an example. People who are seeing Uganda elections and post-elections, it is trending. Chagulanyi is trending. Do you know there is an affiliate marketing product that you can attach this? Ask me this. For example, an ebook, a movie. Do you know there is a movie that portrays what Chagulanyi and what the government is doing? It's there. There is also a viral relationship story, promoting dating ebooks, promoting courses or apps that are connected to story. So you guys get to know this. If you're an upcoming creator, don't be emotional. Instead, jump on it and take advantage of it. Remember this, trends sell emotions. And these ones, emotions sell products. Right now, if you go out there, like you're in Uganda, and start making shirts about Chagulanyi, Robert, they will sell more because Chagulanyi has his sympathizers, his people. Also, if you make t-shirts for the government, the president, Muzei, people are there who are loving. So take advantage of this. Then the third beautiful one is sell digital products or services. How do you sell digital products? You can use these trends to write or to sell PDFs, like on coaching, like guides, shout outs, and even online services. I give you an example on trending money topic. sell how to make money online guide. Like right now, make money on YouTube, please write in the comment section. It is only less money, I'll give it to you. I have it. What you need to know, it is attention first. After getting attention, you sell. So how will you sell when they don't know you? So jump on these trends. The fourth is Facebook comment monetization. Hey, this one I would have brought it first, but I brought it third. Post small emotional or funny comments under viral posts. People click your profile, they follow, they buy or join even through links. Me, I've gotten people, one post got 56 followers on Facebook because I'd posted and I put a write-up for this viral post. But if they're out there, someone out there who is not knowing what is how to make money online will not know. So jump on it. The fifth one is page growth and future monetization. This is for people who are not monetized. You might be there and say, I'm not monetized, so I cannot, it's not for me. It's for you. Use trends to grow faster and even to grab some followers, because people are following emotions, people are following trends. So the moment for example, I'm giving an example with Uganda, the people of people of Muzei will follow you. People of Chagulanyi will unfollow you. People of Chagulanyi will follow you. So be neutral. Do what you want to do and grow your audience. Monetize later, because it's a short day. The moment you finish growing it, you'll monetize it. You can even use it for promotions. You can use it for selling your own products. Which products do you have? Me, I have books, I have bracelets, I have watches, I have perfume. So if you want anything, write it in the comment section. Then you can also use it to, like for example, to build your brand. Yeah, they will know who is so and so. There are some people I've known because of politics. It has been a trend in Uganda. And there are some people we are going to know because of Valentine. It is going to be a trend. There are some people who are good at that. Let me tell you, trends, they build audience. Audience builds income. You cannot get any income without an audience. So what you do, you grab what is supposed to be there. Reminder, please take note of this. If you only watch trends, you stay entertained. If you use trends, you get paid. So my people who is watching, please don't be among the audience that is getting entertained. Be both. Be entertained and at the same time you get paid. Why? What's wrong with it? So guys, I would love you to go ahead and know that all these trends can pay you. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.